Alright, I've got a Kenmore 400 series washer. Super capacity plus, very clean, in like new condition. Works great. I'm putting the final test load through it here, which I'm going to let you get a good listen to it. It's filling up. It's a very heavy load. I'm going to let it go through the full cycle and let you hear it agitate, and then the final spin. Then we'll move those clothes over to the dryer and let you hear the dryer as well. So we'll give it just a minute to kind of work through its cycle there and come back to it. Okay, and it is now agitating. You can hear it's got a good strong agitation. It's getting those clothes nice and clean. So we'll let that get through its cycle and we'll come back for the spin. Alright, so we're at the spin cycle, and it is at about full speed. As you can see, it's a nice smooth operation. Sounds great. I'll show you, it's spinning nice and fast. Lid switch works. Alright, so I'll let that finish out, show you the dryer. Okay, so I've got the clothes cleaned out of here and got them put into the dryer. Got it running, time dry, high heat, and I'll show you that it starts up fine here in just a sec. I want to show you first that it's heating good. A little heat gun. Open this up and point that right in there for you. See plenty of heat coming out of there. And that's right where the heat comes out, and then it heats up the internal temperature anywhere from 100 to 195. Depending on what you have it set on, I have it set on high so it would get all the way up to temp. So, and it doesn't matter, you can have it on timed or automatic. As you can hear, it sounds great. It's a nice smooth operation. So now you know that both of them work as described. They're in excellent shape. They essentially work like new, and that's the important thing, is that you know what you're spending your money on actually works when you come pick it up. So that's kind of the purpose of this video. If you have any questions, please reach out. Feel free to reach out to me, and do appreciate you taking the time to watch this video. Have a great day.